We're rolling, we're back, we're doing it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been away for so long, been getting my life sorted and going to the gym, being achy, all that crap. So yeah, just trying to get my life rolling again and getting everything sorted really. So I'm back, yay! So I'm gonna do a video now. Before I do the video, make sure to like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do reviews, makeup reviews, like product testing. I'm gonna be trying this out soon, and I'll do a video on this on my Instagram, which is Cheryl BMUA. One more. Sorry, wrong. Cut that. I've changed my Instagram, and it's called Cheryl B1. You can go and check it out right there. Cheryl B1. Make sure you can keep up to date with things. There we go. And yeah, just follow me on that. Okay, so now you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel below. I'm going to be reviewing this Glossybox, what is very flowery, which matches my new flowery duvet. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, right off the bat, you can see inside, and this is really shiny, and picking it up, and well, pink ribbon. It's got this lovely gold sticker on, which is like a Glossybox design, and I'm opening it now. Open, and found a leaflet. You either get the flowery box or the fruity box. Fruity box or flowery box. I got the flowery. It says, hey Glossies, we're celebrating spring this month with our vibrant fruity or floral editions. This is such a tongue twister. You receive one of the two special design boxes bursting with fruit-inspired formulas and blooming with flowery fragrances. Our April edits are filled with 5 scented products, including a revitalizing overnight skincare treatment filled with botanical goodness and a perfume exclusively packaged to match our fruity and floral glossy boxes. We've also included an extra treat. I wonder what that is. All these products will have you look bright and refreshed on the outside. What about the inside? So I'll be sharing scrumptious smoothies and milkshake recipes to make you feel good on the inside. What the hell is this all about? Keep an eye on the Beauty Unboxed blog for more info. Ellie Nash, Beauty Editor, Glossybox. And that is what you get either that one or that one next month. So inside I will be reading what is from this box on this leaflet. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'll pull out is this Palmer's Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Organol Hair Mask. There we go, right there. This is 95% sourced ingredients, deeply repairs and boosts hydration. It's 30 ml. This will last one thing use. Anyway, it's a hand blended cocktail of nature's most nourishing and strengthening botanicals, natural fusions, takes the guesswork of DIY home blended concoctions and uses only the purest ingredients to care for your hair. Okay, so put it in 10-15 minutes before rinsing. Can be used as an overnight mask treatment, but be sure to wear a cap or use a towel to protect sheets. Rinse out in the AM. Don't think I'll be using this overnight, but I use it in the daytime, so yeah, that's not bad. And this from my thing, leaflet, RRP Deluxe Mini, worth £2. This is, and the full size is 60 grams and it's £2.99. Ain't bad. So that's that one. Alright, the next thing I've just picked out is this pomegranate. That's how you say it. Superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Okay. And that is what it looks like, dudes. I'm not going to put my glasses on, but I really need my glasses, and I'm not going to put my glasses on. You can read it there. Okay, a few minutes. Anyway, use 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. Why are these always overnight? I don't know, but I ain't gonna do overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. Nah, I don't think so. But I will save it. Oh yeah, and that is RRP Deluxe Mini 30ml worth £14. £14 for that little thing. And the full size is £19, that's 50ml. Yeah, right. Okay. The next thing is the Let Your Dreams Blossom perfume by Jean Orthez, Paris. There we go. Guys, this box was £5 because I entered a code. Yeah. This box is usually... Oh, I can't talk today. This box is usually 10 or 12, but I got it for 5. So, yay! If you get a code, enter the code and you will get money off. So, simple. Anyway, this is a floral perfume. Ready? Ooh! My god! It's friggin' floral, alright. Holy shit. And this is £20.99. For that. £20.99. I'm saving that on the side. And the next thing I pulled out is Dr. Pawpaw Dr. Purple, Dr. Purple, Dr. Purple Hot Pink Balm. Dr. Purple Hot Pink Balm. Dr. Purple Hot Pink Balm. Enough of the singing. This is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural purple for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And that is what it looks like, guys. Tinted balm hydrates and adds colour to lips and cheeks. Let's test it out, shall we? Okay, I've pulled a little thingy off because I tested it out. Whatever. I tested it out earlier on. Comes out pink. I hope it soothes in my skin. Here we go. I look like a doll. Am I supposed to like rub it in? I don't know. Rub it in, Cheryl. Rub it in. Rub it in. God. I look like a freaking doll. God, oh God, oh God. Anyway, if this is how I'm going to do the rest of the video, so be it. Anyway, this is $6.95 from the Dr. Pawpaw shop. If you want to look like a doll, use this for your cheeks. Yay! Okay, the big things are coming up now, and this is why the box is heavy this month. And this is the hydrating water infusions, raspberry and rose water shower gel. Ooh, very nice. I'll be using this in my bath, or when I go into a hotel in the summer, I'll be using this in the shower. So yeah, I'm going on holiday in the summer, and I ain't gonna tell you where it is yet. So that's something to look forward to on this channel, eh? This is 3 times moisturizers, vitamins, and antioxidant blend. Raspberry, eh? Oh, I love that smell. That is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Jubbly, jubbly, jubbly. Oh yeah. Can't wait to use that. And this is £2.30 from Boots. So if you want it, go and get it from Boots. And the last thing is the body butter from Super Duper. And there we go. And this is, comes in 2. Zingy Ginger. Don't like that smell anyway, so I'm glad I've got this normal one because I hate ginger. I'm allergic to ginger. Can't even have gingerbread, ginger man, ginger snap, ginger hair, ginger. Anyway, ginger is off the map. Anyway, this is £10 and these are 100% vegan and cruelty free. Smooths and hydrates dry skin. Massage into your body every day. moisturised complexion. So yeah, that is a good one. Oh, don't come with like a seal, but that is what it looks like, dudes. Nice and creamy, and I'll probably be sharing that with my mother, and I will be taking that on holiday with me. Definitely. So yeah, that is what it looks like, and I'll put it on my skin. Oh yeah, it soothes in well. Soothes in. Is that even a word? Blends in well. There you go. And that's it, guys. That's all the box done and reviewed for you. Yeah, so I'll be using all of these when I can. Yeah, very good. Better than the last time I was with a Glossybox, which was a little bit shit, to be honest with you.